Hello guys and welcome to Doxa Digitals. I'm super excited to be doing this particular video. Today we are looking at Boinkers, alright, a very interesting airdrop. I particularly like the interface of this particular airdrop. As you can see, the monthly users of this airdrop is 9 million plus, right? And if you can, it just goes to show that the project is greatly under farmed, okay? 9 million users, I mean, it's really under farmed, right? So this is supposed to be like a meme coin, all right? So by the time you go to the description of the video and you click on the link and it brings you here, so it says, what can this boat do for you? Welcome to the Boinkers parody game. Chase the stupid dream of getting to the moon by farming the ultimate game, meme coin, Boink. Free to play, jump into memes, where humor has no limits, slot machine, spin, and you might win the ultimate jackpot, but beware of bears, right? Play with friends, invite your dumb friends to farm shit faster, launch the diamond, bonk will launch on turn, drop whatever, collect as much shit coins as points for the upcoming bonk drop. All right, so I started farming this on the 25th of September, but I wasn't really that consistent, okay? But currently I have been able to just improve on how best I am farming this project. All right, so when you click on it, you can see they even have a competition that's currently ongoing, which is stage 1 qualify. You have until Saturday EOD. All right, November 9th to qualify. You must get at least 10 new friends. Okay, so basically what you just do is you click on play. So when it loads, it shows you something like this. So you collect the free one and you can see, all right, you can actually see it brings out the boost sheet mining. So you collect the free one. That's if you don't want to spend any money on it. Okay, when I became very serious with this, you can see I'm currently on 995,000 Boinkers points. All right, so it usually brings out something like this, which is like the spin. So if I click on the spin, it brings me into this particular should I call it the spin box. All right, so I'll just click on the spin. All right, and voila, I have 24 from this. Okay, you can see I am on 994, so I need just 16 more to be able to get 1,800 energy, so that I'll be able to play the game as quick as possible. So there's also the parts where you have the daily spin, all right, the daily wheel and also the daily elevator. So when you click on the daily wheel, you spin the wheel, it gives you opportunity to be able to earn some energy that you can use in the game. Then there's also the parts for the elevator, where you get to choose among different options A, B, and C, and if you're lucky, you get to climb to the top and you earn some points, right? So that's that for that. Then for those who participated in Notcoin, you can see the Notcoin shop. All right, you can actually spend some money to buy spins. That is if you want. All right, you can see there are different amounts for different spins, and the spins are really quite expensive. You can also see the wheels as well, and you can also see an in-game tokens that you can also buy, which you can use to improve on your level, right? There's also this part here where you have the N. All right, in this part here where you have the N, when you click on it, okay, you can see there are different activities that you can do, all right, that can earn you some points. So I'm just going to click on this. I don't really have to do most of them. I'm going to come back. All right, I'm going to watch an ad. Okay, so I'm done with that ad. I'm going to claim this. All right, and I'm going to wait for that to load. I'm going to also like this particular comment. So basically you like the comments as well. All right, then it says share a Telegram story, so I'm going to share a Telegram story so I can do that. Okay, so I've shared the Telegram story. Let me just wait for it to refresh. Okay, so let me verify. Okay, it says, oh, verification failed. Let me try again. I'll come back to this. Okay, so it says watch and like TikTok video. So there are a lot of tasks that you can also do. There's also a game. It's called Animals and Coins. You can play the game as well. If you are able to hit all of the targets, you get more energy spins, which is really interesting. Then for those who are not coin users, for gold and platinum, you get to earn based on your level. So you can do all of these tasks and you earn some free tokens that you can use to boost. All right, so when I come to the spin here, okay, I have just one spin and it says 5 spins ready in 0.95 minutes. So I'm going to leave this and come back. Then there's this part where we have the build. All right, you can see the build here. This is where you actually send your Boinkers to the moon. I have sent 49 Boinkers to the moon. And there's also the raffle parts. There's also the raffle parts. When you click on the raffle, you can see I've actually gotten 51,000 bonks this morning. So I've been given 5 tickets. So I'm just going to add this. Hopefully I'm lucky. All right, you can see the results here usually comes out. Hopefully I'm lucky and I'm able to win maybe some energy levels to just help me go far in the game. Okay, now There's also the ranking here, so you can see when I became very serious. All right, I'm currently ranked at 9,421 in the Diamond League. All right, my target is to get into the Master League, and there are some persons who are already on 77 million, and this person has been given 55k energy. So you see, the more you climb, the more you earn. This person's on 5 million. I mean, for me, I've really tried. I'm going to be entering 1 million here. All right, so which is something that I've really put in a lot of work. There's also the drop. This drop here is where you get to see the bonkers that you have sent to the moon. All right, so on this part here where we have this, all right, in case you don't want the noise from it, you can turn it off. All right, very interesting. And you also get to invite your friends. All right, you can see if your friends are not active, you can click on push to keep pushing them so they continue to do what you need to do. All right, the more they participate, the more you earn some energy, all right, from their activity. Okay, yeah, then there's also the parts where you get to like I've already mentioned it, where you get to do all of the tasks. And this part here, this part here that helps you just boost your sheet mining speed. Okay, so basically that's that about that when it comes to this particular airdrop, guys. So you don't want to fade it, you don't want to sleep on it. It's something that you want to get on board with ASAP, all right, so that you can be able to earn a lot. And there's also this part where you get to rogue someone and you win some part of their tokens. All right, so very interesting. So it's something that you want to pay attention to. All right, guys, so that's basically all about that for Boinkers. Remember, in the crypto space, when it comes to mining, I don't fade anything, so you too should not fade anything. It is very important that you get on this, and so that you can also win some tokens, right? And I'm already close to the finish line, but it's just that I will not be able to get to the end. Okay, wow, this is really interesting. So it's just 14 more minutes, 14 hours more, 3 minutes for this particular phase to be over. So guys, that's basically it. Get on board for this ASAP so you don't miss out on the project when it goes live at TGE. So if you have any question, you can ask. You can also drop a comment. I will be in the comment section to respond to all of your questions. All right, and if you have found value in this video, of course you know how we roll. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out each time I upload a new video. I'll see you again in my next video, guys. Bye for now.